Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your MacBook runs the latest Mac OS that includes Finder iPhone support. Update if needed. Charge the iPhone above 50%, then connect it with a certified cable so transfers won't interrupt. Unlock the iPhone and tap Trust when the prompt appears, enter your passcode, and confirm that Finder recognizes the device. Once done, you're ready to move into the actual update steps without delay. You'll continue in Finder. Select your iPhone from the sidebar and open the General tab to see update options. Click Check for Update. Finder will contact Apple, and if a new iOS is available, download the update to your MacBook. Make sure both devices remain connected and the Mac stays awake. Interruptions can corrupt the install. When the download finishes, click Install. The Mac will transfer the update to the iPhone and reboot it to apply changes. Finish by verifying the update. Your iPhone should restart and reach the home screen. Then check Settings, General, about to confirm the new iOS version. If something goes wrong, an error, frozen progress, or install failure, don't panic. Try again using recovery mode, switch cables, or a different USB port, and ensure the MacBook has sufficient disk space. Make a backup before retrying. Finder backups to the Mac or iCloud. Protect.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.